Hi students, I am here with Unit 3. The name of the unit is Vegetable and Fruit Cookery. As the unit contains many concepts, so I'll explain it in parts. In first part, you will learn about classification of vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are parts of a plant that are consumed by humans as food as part of the meal. They are an inseparable part of meal and are important source of nutrients and fiber. Means vegetables and fruits, they cannot be separated from meal and they provide us nutrients and fiber. About classification of vegetables, the following classification of vegetables is based on the part of plant being used as vegetable. First is bulbs. They grow just below the surface of the ground and produce a fleshy leaf shoot above the ground. Bulbs may contain layers or clustered segments. Examples of bulbs are onion, garlic, spring onion and leeks. Quality criteria. Quality criteria means what points we are to consider while buying these bulbs. They should be firm, dry, papery, outer skin, no green shoots or soft spots. Garlic, uses of onions. Onion is the most used flavoring vegetable in the world. Onions can be eaten raw or cooked. They can be used in so many dishes like soups, vegetables and dal, tempering gravies, pizzas, pies, pasta and salads, etc. Now garlic. Garlic, it is also a kind of bulb. Quality criteria means fresh garlic. They are white, firm, dry skin, no green shoots. Before using, we should break cloves just before use as they tend to dry up once broken. Uses: raw garlic gives a strong pungent flavor while on cooking. It gives a mellow flavor. It can be used in salads, soups, dals, vegetables, gravies, meats and even in a curd. Now spring onions. Spring onions, they should be bright, unblemished, hollow green and firm small bulbs. They are milder than onions, making them more suitable for eating raw in salads. Leeks. Leeks should be small or medium sized bulbs, as large ones are woody. Unblemished, fresh greens should be chosen. Traditionally, they are served with a white or cheese sauce. The white may be sliced and used in salads. Pairs well with ham or bacon and meat. Now roots. Root part of the vegetables. They grow below the ground as long as round shaped taproot and have green leaves shoots above the ground. Examples of roots are carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot. These are examples of roots. Now carrot. Carrot, firm, well formed, have a good orange red color. Small carrots tend to be sweeter and tender. Tender means soft. Thick big ones tend to have a hard woody center. Fresh carrots should be firm. Uses of carrots: they can be eaten raw or cooked and are found in savory as well as sweet dishes such as carrot cake, carrot halwa. They are used in vegetable dishes, salads, sandwiches, meat roast, etc. Radish. Smooth and firm white color, should be crisp and not drying and turning easily when held. Uses of radish: radishes are mostly eaten raw in salads and may also be cooked in vegetables and used for stuffing for parathas. Turnip. Choose small to medium, firm roots with smooth skins. Turnips give a slightly peppery taste. It can be eaten raw as salad or cooked as a vegetable. Beetroot. Roots should be smooth with a firm skin and deep red color. The leaves, if they are still attached, should be fresh and crisp. Uses of beetroot. The roots can be used raw, grated, or finely sliced into a salad. The tender leaves can also be used as a vegetable. Now, tubers. Tubers are various types of modified plant structures that are enlarged to store nutrients. They can be root or stem. Examples of tubers are potato and ginger. Potato, quality criteria of potato is they should be pale yellow, dry skin, thin and smooth, firm, no black eyes or shoots, no green surface. Uses of potatoes. Potatoes are cooked differently. Mealy or flory potatoes with high starch suitable for mashing, and waxy potatoes with low starch suitable for salads, soups, etc. Ginger. Choose firm, shiny skinned and smooth knobs. Don't buy roots with sprouts. Uses of ginger. Ginger is used to flavor numerous dishes such as dals, vegetables, meats, salads, curd, rice, etc. Now, flower part of the vegetables. They are edible flower of certain plants. Examples of these vegetables, flowering vegetables, are cauliflower, broccoli and globe artichoke. Cauliflower. Quality criteria of cauliflower is the leaves at the base of the flower should be fresh. Here are the leaves at the base. They should be fresh and hard and not falling off. Tight buds. The buds should be tight, white in color. These are the buds. Tight buds, white in color, compact, not far apart from each other. And uses of cauliflower. It is used in preparing dry vegetables, vegetable dishes, snacks like pakoras, filled in parathas, and it can even be made into sweets. Next is broccoli. It should be compact bud, clusters with no yellowish or large open buds. Broccoli has many uses. Cooked, raw or lightly blanched. The serving possibilities are endless, from salad, pasta dishes, omelette, quiches and soups and simple vegetable preparations. Now, globe artichoke. It should be with a tight, compact, heavy head which yields slightly to pressure. Uses of artichoke. Serve artichokes as hot or chilled vegetable either alone or with a sauce. Fruits. Fleshy fruits of plant eaten as vegetable, and examples of fruits are capsicum, cucumber, brinjals, chili, pumpkin, etc. First is capsicum. Capsicum should be well shaped and have skins which are firm and shiny. There should not be soft spots or shriveled appearance. They can be used raw in a salad or cooked in casserole, kebabs, noodles, pizza, topping with meats, or used to prepare snacks. Now, cucumber. The best cucumbers will have a firm skin, blemish free, and a even dark green color. Uses of cucumbers. They are usually eaten raw as salad but may also be used to prepare cold soups, sandwich filling or canapé topping. Brinjals. Choose aubergines. The other name of brinjal is aubergines. We can call it brinjal. We can call brinjals as aubergines. Choose the aubergines that feel heavy with smooth, taut, unblemished skin and no holes on a surface. They can be cooked as vegetable preparation, roasted and mashed to make a bharta snack, or baby brinjals may be stuffed with spices to form stuffed vegetables. They also go well with lamb dishes. Now, chili. Chili is also a kind of fruit. Chili peppers should be well shaped and have skins which are firm and shiny, no shriveled appearance. Chili peppers are the key flavoring ingredients in a lot of Mexican, Spanish, Indian and Asian especially Thai dishes. They are also stuffed and fried to form snacks or cooked as mirchi ka salan. It's often pickled. Pickled means achar डाला जाता है. Now pumpkins and squash. Choose firm pumpkin and squash that have undamaged skin and feel heavy for their size. They are cooked to prepare vegetable dish, sweets, stuffed, added to pulses, made into soups, etc. Now next example of fruits is tomatoes. Choose smooth, firm and plump tomatoes with an even color and no blemishes. Tomatoes are very versatile. Versatile means they are available in different kinds and easily prepared. They can be eaten raw in salad, put in sandwich filling, canap topping, pasta sauce, pizza topping, soup, vegetable dishes, tempering, gravies, etc. Now leaf part of a plant. Edible leaves of a plant are cabbage, lettuce, mustard and spinach. Cabbage. Quality criteria of cabbage is fresh cabbage. They have firm heads that are heavy for their size with even color and crisp outer leaves. They are eaten raw in salads. The stir fried for noodles, can be blanched and used as wrapping for meat fillings. It is also pickled. Lettuce, salad patta. No sign of wilting should be there. They should be crisp, smooth and blemish free leaves. Tender crisp leaves are used as salad. Mustard leaves. Mustard leaves, that is sarson ka saag, and fenugreek leaves means methi. They should have crisp greens that are not wilted or blemished. Mustard leaves are typically cooked in winters as sarson ka saag along with other greens such as spinach and fenugreek leaves. It may also be cooked with the meat. Spinach leaves. Choose crisp green leaves with no signs of wilting or blemishes. Uses of spinach are young leaves are eaten raw as salad. The flavor of spinach is particularly good with eggs and is used in many souffles, omelette or quiche dishes. Spinach is great in soup and pasta sauces. It is also the base for green Indian gravy. Pods, legumes. A legume that opens and contains seeds. These are the pods that are eaten while seeds are still tender and pods are green. Examples of legumes are French beans, peas. French beans, quality criteria of French beans should be firm, even, green, should break when bent at 90-degree angle. They are used in vegetable dishes, noodles, etc. Peas look for firm, bright green pods while purchasing, which are not too full. Once picked, the sugar naturally present in the peas are converted to starches. Hence, the fresher the pea, the sweeter it will be. And peas are used as vegetable, soup or added in snacks. Now, stem. The edible stalks of plants when the stalk is the main part of the vegetable. And examples of stems are asparagus, celery and kohlrabi. Asparagus should be firm. If a stem is broken, it should crack easily. Should be of good color and closed tips. White asparagus is used to make thick creamy soup. Green asparagus is traditionally eaten as a side vegetable or as an ingredient with the pasta. Now celery. Stems should be firm and crisp when snapped. Leaves should be fresh green and not wilted. And uses of celery are celery is added to stocks, soups, salads, pies, roast, etc. Lightly stir fried celery with sesame seed oil. Sesame oil means til oil. Is a vegetable dish in itself. Kohlrabi, it should be about the size of a tennis ball or smaller. It should be thin, tender and have unblemished skin. Kohlrabi is served mainly as a side vegetable, steamed, mashed or in a stir fry. It may also be baked, stuffed or added to casseroles and soups. Now fungi part of the plant. All varieties of mushroom fall into this category. Button mushrooms, enoki, shiitake, truffle, oyster mushrooms, these are the examples of fungi. With all mushrooms, the fresher the better. They should have good color and avoid the ones with damaged or bruised skin or stem. Mushrooms continue to grow after harvesting and they respire or sweat in plastic bags. So they should be stored in paper bags. This question can be question of this fungi can be what precaution should we take while storing a fungi. So we should always store it in paper bags, not in plastic bags, because they respire in plastic bags. And uses of fungi are they are frequently served either or on their own. They are frequently served either on their own, although sometimes stuffed and in stir-fry recipe too with soy sauce. Mushrooms are incredibly versatile and will add flavor to many dishes. They can be used with meat, in soups, sauces, on pizza, in casseroles, in stir-fries, in omelets, in pies and salads. So students, this is all about classification of vegetables. I hope the concept of classification of vegetable is clear to all of you. In next video, we will learn about classification of fruits.